Yeah, Christ, I trust in you with all my heart, and yeah, be with everyone, and yeah, like y'all are not gonna understand this bit that I'm gonna say, but it's a line from my favorite movie ever. Take a guess, and it is just when I thought I was out, they pull me back in. Okay. All right, let's go. So this is number 5 on our list of derivatives, right? And this one is pretty straightforward. So let's get on with it. Okay, so this is what we're looking at. And so we're taking the derivative. The first thing we should do is rewrite it so that the square root is a 1/2 exponent, right? That's all I do in this next step. Okay. And, obviously, like, I don't want to talk over it, but derivatives like require more talking than like integrals. Integrals I could do silently, you still get it. But yeah, here it goes. So obviously, what we have to keep in mind here is both chain rule and quotient rule. Chain rule because we have a composition of 2 functions. Well, we can make it a composition of more than 2 functions, but it's easier to see it as a composition of just 2 functions. One of those functions is, let's say, x to the 1/2, and the other function is this quotient, right? Yeah, okay, so we do chain rule, which is the derivative of the outside, keeping what's inside intact. Thank you for ruining my video. Okay, so let's do that part first. So again, chain rule. So the derivative of the outside is just throw that 1/2 in front and then lower the power by 1 and keep what's inside intact, right? So that step is displayed aquí. And now what we have to do, chain rule, right, is multiply by the derivative of the inside, and that's what I'm about to do. But as this is a quotient, it requires the quotient rule. And so y'all should know what the quotient rule is. I have videos on even proving the quotient rule and many examples, blah, blah, blah. But yeah, it's the derivative of the top times the bottom minus the top times the derivative of the bottom, all divided by the bottom squared, right? Okay, so here it goes. I said that real fast, like a math infomercial, but it is what it is, man. Okay, so there. And all we have to do now is simplifying. All I did is there was a minus sign right there, so I distributed it. And so that meant this x is now negative, and that negative in front of the 1 turns to a positive. And obviously, we could do a little bit more cleaning up, and that's what I show you and what remains. There isn't much to see, but cleaning up duty, right? And so first, like, this negative 1/2 exponent, it could be turned into a 1/2 exponent in the denominator, which means that it's a square root in the denominator. And ooh, I think I just realized that I forgot the 1/2 right there. So there's supposed to be a 2 right there. Yeah, Ernest. Actually, he's into integrals, but he always finds like little flaws in my like integrals every now and then. I don't think he watches derivatives even. Okay, x to the right. Okay, and now distribute, right? So that's minus 4x to the 4th, and then plus 4x cubed, and the denominator ain't unchanged, right? Okay, and so there, these two combine to a negative 3x to the 4th, and that's really all the simplifying that's required. The rest of it is just me rewriting this cleaner. Again, I forgot a 2 right there. Yeah, okay. I had a heck of a morning, like, my family like trying to like ruin my life. They bring all their problems and drama onto my life, and it's like, dude, I've been dealing with that for years. Okay, have a good day, everyone. Take care.